Okay. Oh my gosh, this is like my 15th attempt at this video. Okay, so hopefully this will show you how to mess with the firewall situation. This may not work. This was an issue on my computer a while ago, so hopefully it works for you too, Amelia. Go to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and for the you search and type in firewall. And then notice mine says allow an app through Windows Firewall. Yours will probably be lower, but anyway, if this comes up, click it. And then this should come up. And then you need to scroll down all the way until it says, there it is, SLS2200 Language Lab, SLS2200. You need to make sure these are clicked and all of these are also clicked. Everything needs to be check marked. And then you click OK. If it says you need administrative approval, do click change settings. You are able to do this on your own. You don't actually need them. So you should be able to do it. Just click change settings and then OK. Mine's already clicked. And then that should really work. You can restart your computer and, hopefully that'll help. If for some reason when you type in firewall, it doesn't show up here, then click this top one that says firewall and network protection. Click home. Click firewall and net protection here. And then scroll down and see how it says allow an app through firewall. You can do the same thing that direction. So there's a couple ways to access this. I hope it works.